Hello, my name's Chris and welcome to Installing Everything. Microsoft Internet Explorer 4 was released on September the 22nd, 1997. It brought a new level of integration between the browser and the underlying operating system. Installing Internet Explorer 4 on Windows 95 or Windows NT4 Workstation and choosing Windows Desktop Update would result in the traditional Windows Explorer being replaced with a version with more of a web browser interface. As well as the Windows desktop being web enabled via Active Desktop. Internet Explorer 4 also introduced support for group policy, allowing companies to configure and lock down many aspects of the browser's configuration as well as support for offline browsing. Internet Mail and News was replaced with Outlook Express and Microsoft Chat, and the improved net meeting was also included. This version was also included as part of the Windows 98 install. Internet Explorer has now been installed. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, catch you in the next one.